Welcome back to Learning with the Difference, news headlines in English for 7th of September. And first of all, national news. Amit Shah, BJP chief, hold 2024 action plan ki meet with central ministers. Over speeding caused maximum accidental deaths in 2020, government report. India-Bangladesh interim first water sharing pact in 25 years. Punjab not cooperating in resolving Satluj Yamuna Canal dispute Centre. Centre released 7,183 crore as revenue deficit grant to 14 states. AAP announced mega discongestion project in Delhi to reduce traffic jams. GAUTAM ADANI'S rose to third richest, came as stock jumps topped 1,000%. India and Bangladesh signed 7 memorandum of understanding on Tuesday in the presence of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and his Bangladeshi counterpart Sheikh Hasina in Delhi. Amit Shah announced 47-member panel for drafting cooperation policy. BHARAT BIOTECH'S NASAL vaccine against COVID-19 cleared for use. And now some international news. NASA's JUNO mission captured Jupiter's complex swirling colors. Liz Truss on Tuesday officially became Britain's new Prime Minister. UK's Queen Elizabeth accepted Boris Johnson's resignation as Prime Minister. Beijing, China has launched its hottest August since records begin, state media reported Tuesday. And now some sports news. France, Golden Boy, Kylian Mbappe on firing line after rare communication, Fox pass. Cameron Green's 89 steers Australia to 2-wicket win over New Zealand in first ODI. NCA project, former Pacers Lakshmi Pathe Balaji, Raghunath Vinay, Pankaj Singh do internship under KULE. Now news related to business. SENSEX NIFTY end marginally lower even as global risk assets gain. Sri Lanka's IMF bailout deal could be a turning point. Now it quotes China and India. Retail inflation likely rose back up to 6.9% in August. Deutsche Bank. Rupee has held its own in an extreme volatile environment. RBI governor. Crude prices jump nearly 4% as oil producers agree on a small output cut. Reliance set to buy majority stake in solar energy software maker for $32 million. Singapore with new visa rule hunts for global rainmakers. India to start economic partnership talks with Bangladesh. CANARA Bank raised benchmark lending rate by up to 0.15%. Russia's VTB launch transfers in Chinese yuan bypassing SWIFT. DEMAT accounts in India crossed 10 crore cumulatively for the first time. Let's have a look of weather of New Delhi. On 7th of September, the temperature of New Delhi at the daytime will reach to 36 degrees Celsius and it will drop to 25 degrees Celsius at night. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.